Okay, balance with a precision of 0.01 grams. White to gold ring, it's 5.04 grams apparently. Let's wait for it to zero. Copper ring, this time with some blu-tack on it. And, okay, it's close enough, 5.10 grams. It's close enough. And they are comparable geometries. Side by side, you can see how similar they are in geometry. So I'll check the resistance with an ohm meter. Resistance of the copper ring, 0.1, 0.2 ohm, pretty much nothing. Resistance of the white gold ring, it's pretty much nothing. Okay, the meter's clearly working. So the resistance is comparable. There's nothing. They're good conductors. So the two rings have comparable geometry, comparable mass, and comparable resistance. So let's see what happens when we put them on the iron core with the 300 turn 50 Hertz AC 20 volt coil. Okay, start with the copper. Here it is. Let's put it on the top. Slowly down. I can feel it vibrating. I let go and it hovers. It's a bit lower than it was before, but it is hovering. There's no doubt about that. Definitely hovering. Push it down, it goes back up. Okay. Now for the white gold ring, my wedding ring, that goes on the top. Absolutely nothing. The only reason it's not falling is because it's getting caught on the edge of the electromagnet. It falls straight through. So the next thing I thought I'd check, I've put the copper ring back on without the blu-tack. We know that if I place a second copper ring over the top, then due to the induced poles in the second ring, which are going to be in phase with the first ring, we end up with mutual magnetic attraction between the two rings. No problem. So if I try that with the white gold wedding ring, placing it over the top, and there's absolutely no force there on the second ring whatsoever. There's nothing. My fingers are poking it before the ring is getting even close, and there's no sort of, let's get really close, hopefully I won't lose focus too much. There's nothing there. There's no movement of that ring at all. So it looks like, for whatever reason, this white gold ring, where the outside of it, the plating of whatever it is a conductor with a ridiculously low resistance, just like the copper. Can't measure the resistance on my ohm meter, it's too small. So we know this is a conductor. It's the same all the way around. There's no cuts in the ring anywhere. And we know it's got the same geometry. We know that it's got the same mass, and yet the ring will not levitate. I am open to suggestions.